Hello, Half Size Me community. Today we're going to talk Memorial Day, barbecues, buffets, how to navigate this and be successful this upcoming weekend. So I was just talking to a coaching client last night. We were strategizing this for her, and I thought, this would be really helpful for everybody to hear, so I thought I'd shoot a real quick video. All right, so you go to the buffet. First off, take stuff. Even if the hostess says, oh, no, I've got it, take food. Always take food. It's easier to ask for forgiveness than permission. So I don't even ask at this point. I just bring it. So I might make a huge salad to share with everybody. I bring a fruit tray, a healthy side dish, whatever. Bring that. Then what I want you to do is step one, look at all the food options that are being made available. You are going to at least go up twice. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, I said it, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to go up twice. The first time, I want you to treat that as your meal away from home. You would put your protein on there. You would get all your veggies. Pretty much, it's probably going to be most of the stuff you brought. It may be a few other healthy things that are available there, but this is going to be your dinner. Or your lunch. This is like what you would normally eat if you were by yourself at home, minus the barbecue and all the special stuff. While you're up there perusing, and first you have to make a pass through of all the food, okay? So you're going to eat one plate, meal away from home. Second plate is going to be things that are a 10 for you. So you're going to look through the whole thing, and these are not the things you could run down to the Quickie Mart and get, or the local grocery store. So the traditional brown and serve rolls, the Fritos, the Doritos, the things that honestly you could get anytime in a grab and go bag. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the things that are unique, different, and the things that are a 10 for you. For me, it's always usually on the dessert table, just between you and I. You find the 10. Let's say that out of all the food presented, you see 5 things that are 10s for you. Maybe it's a carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Maybe it's brownies. Maybe it's cookies. Maybe it's some kind of special dip. I don't know. But basically find your 10s, the things that deep down inside you would shed a small tear if you didn't get a chance to taste and or try. Out of all of those 10s, figure out, and this is the kind of scary part here. I'm not going to tell you a number. I'm not going to say only do 3, only do 4. Let's say you found 10 10s. Decide before you go up what you feel is reasonable for you. So maybe for me, if I see that there's a total of 4 10s for myself, I might say, okay, Heather, you know what? You can pick up to 3. And I get to go up and have some. And I put my 10s on my second plate. First plate is my meal. This is important. The reason you want to do that, by the way, is it's going to keep you in a better frame of mind to make better decisions later through the rest of the day. If you go hungry, if you don't eat a solid meal, chances are you're going to make poor choices when you go for the 10s, or you're going to make poor choices grazing the entire time you're there. So have that meal, pick the 10s, decide before you go up, give yourself a number, give yourself boundaries, and say, okay, I see 10 10s, I'm going to let myself pick 4. And the reason I say, and be liberal with this, because you're not going to take all this food home. Enjoy the things you want, make it the one day, enjoy it, and move on. Most of us feel we should not have it. We pick and graze, and we far exceed the amount of calories and or points that we would have had we just put the things on the plate to begin with and sat down and ate it like a human being. So this is my suggestion for you. Step 1, check out the table. Step 2, meal away from home, first plate. Second plate, only 10s. Pick your 10s, decide the amount you're going to allow yourself, stick to your personal boundaries, not my boundaries, your boundaries. And then track it and move on with your day. You guys have a wonderful holiday weekend. If it's not a holiday for you, save this, because one day it will be. You guys have a good one. Take care.